guys, welcome to my channel, Joyful Journey Fit. My name is Ellie. Today we're taking some time to focus on mindful breathing, how to start a breathing meditation practice. It takes just 3 to 5 minutes a day, starting with those 3 minutes. Take time during your day to focus on you. Focus on your breathing. Your body creates that natural energy. It's constant. It's fulfilling. It's rewarding. It's joy, positive, and strength. It's a natural cleansing process. Always coming back to the breath helps with stress, anxiety, worry. It is your body's own natural way of helping you during those times when negative thoughts come into the mind. Focus on your breath. Have that gentle, cleansing breath. Be your light. Let's practice today. Sit in a nice, comfortable seat, either on the floor, in your bed, resting. If on the floor, use your couch to support your back, always feeling that openness and space to allow your lungs to expand and relax, fully inhaling and exhaling that gentle, rhythmic breath that your body naturally creates. Either have your palms down for grounding and security, or have those palms up for openness, allowing the energy that your body creates to flow freely. Take some nice cleansing breaths in through the nose and out through the nose. Feeling the breath warm the body. Feeling that energy, noticing the sounds of your breath. Always focus on you. Take just 3 to 5 minutes a day. The breath has a natural way of cleansing your body, instilling reassurance, joy, peace, positivity, and fulfillment. Always come back to the breath. Be mindful of the breath. Practice 3 to 5 minutes a day. And let me know the difference. Have a beautiful, blessed day.